Good morning, everyone. Let's go ahead and start our circle time for today. Today is April 15th, 2021. It is Thursday, April 15th. Let's go ahead and sing the days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. There's Monday, there's Tuesday, and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap, stop. Clap, clap, stop. Clap, clap. Good job. We have no school tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the 16th. We have no school on Saturday, the 17th. We have no school Sunday the 18th because it is the weekend. And we will have no school on Monday because we have some testing that we need to do. We are going to do our pattern. So let's come all the way back here. Sitting quietly. Let's come all the way back here. Ready? Cloud, cloud, flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower. Good job. What's going to go here tomorrow?
I don't know. Cloud.
Let's look. Flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower,
Cloud.
Let's try one more time. Ready? Flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower,
Cloud.
flower. All right, let's try again. Ready? Flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower, flower,
Cloud.
cloud. Good job. All right, let's move these down. Let's go ahead and finish off our pattern for Sunday and Monday. All right, so we're coming back here to the 11th. Ready? Flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower, flower, cloud,
Cloud.
cloud. Good job.
Bunny.
And the last one, ready? Flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower, flower, cloud, cloud.
Bunny.
Not a bunny. The bunny's not one of our choices. Flower,
Flower.
flower. That's right. Good job. Flower.
I did it.
You did. Good job, buddy. Yesterday we said that it was going to be partly sunny. Is it partly sunny?
No.
No, I don't see any sun out there today.
It's
So
cloudy.
it is cloudy. Let's make a prediction. What do we think tomorrow's weather is going to be like?
Sunny.
Ooh, I like that one. We're going to put that right down in our prediction box. It's going to be sunny tomorrow. All right. I want you to say your ABCs with me. Are we ready? All right. I'm going to point to them. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, HIJKLMNOPQRSTUVW. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, sing with me. Good job. All right, we're counting all the way to 15. I want to hear my friends counting. Ready? You going to count? All right. Big voices. Ready? 1, 2, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's count backwards from 8. Are we ready? 8. Starting with the number 8. 8. Nope, from 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. All right, we're going to do some colors. What color is my pony? All right, what color is my pony? Pink. It's pink. Good job. What color is anger? Red. My friend on the purple square, what color is disgust? Disgust. What color is this? Green. Good. My friend on the green square, what color is the Oreo? What color is the Oreo cookie? What color is that? Black. What color is it? What color is the Oreo? Black. My friend on the yellow, what color is the chocolate? What color? Brown. Good job. All right, let's move on to some shapes. Everyone, what shape is this? What shape is that? A circle. Good job. What shape is this? A rectangle. What shape is this? Eyes on the board. What shape is this? Octagon. What shape is this? Very good. Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. All right, the letter we are working on this week is the letter
U.
U. Good job. And U says like umpire and umbrella. This is my letter U.
This is my letter.
All right, let's go ahead and stand up and sing about our letters.
This is the checkers game where grandson and granddad move on.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top?
If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Nope. Better. Remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top, top, top. At the top. All right, reaching up. Reach up. Way up. Top. Yes, it's the top. Reach out, touch the top. All the way down. Reach down. Way down. Bottom. Bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Standing up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Do you start your letters at the top? Or do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. It's the top, top, top. Or do you start your letters at the top? All right, friends. All right, we are going to make the letter U today. So your hands are in your lap, your voices are turned off, but your eyes are up here on the board. When we make the letter U, we say big line down, turn, big line up. All right, one more time, Mrs. Hill's turn. Big line down, turn, big line up. Good job. Your turn. Ready? Your fingers are at the top and you say, big line down, turn, big line up. What letter did you make?
U.
U. And what does U say? The letter U says One more time, fingers up to the top. And we say, oh, I don't see any fingers up. Fingers up. Fingers up. And we say, big line down, turn, big line up. What letter did we make? The letter U. Excellent job, everybody. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time. We will see you on Tuesday. No Circle Time tomorrow or on Monday. We will see you again on Tuesday. Have a great weekend.